Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you write notes in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application right here on your iPhone if you haven't already, and after opening up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started with creating what kind of track we want. We have the live loops right here in the upper left corner and we have the tracks option. So nice, now we can go and select the instrument that we want to play right here. Either we have the sounds library, we can record our guitar, you can use the keyboard, drums and so on. I'm going to open up the keyboard. So basically guys, after opening up your keyboard, now you can get started recording yourself using the big red button right here at the top of the screen. If you click that button and start recording everything you play, and then you can stop it, and now we can go ahead and access our recording by clicking the button right here in the upper left corner. That's going to change us to this section right here into the edit mode where we can see what we have played. But basically guys, the iOS app does not allow for you to write sheet notes and your music, but what you can do is click on your recording right here of your piano or keyboard or whatever other instrument you have and click edit. After clicking edit, this is now going to open it up right here where we can see what is being played. So this is the only sheet music that we have, where we can see the notes that are being played, but you cannot write sheet music directly and you cannot see it in the iOS app. You can only do it on the PC version. This is everything that's available on your mobile phone. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.